Hi everybody, I hope you're having a great day today and that you're ready to play a fun math matching game called What Number Am I? So for today's game, you need a pencil, a pair of scissors, and 4 direction sheets from today's checklist. So the first sheet are the directions. The second sheet is the I have a cards. The third sheet are the numbers written large in standard form. And the fourth sheet is a recording sheet. The first step is to cut the I have a cards and the standard form cards on the dotted line. Pause the video now and get your cards ready by cutting on the dotted line. Once you have your cards all cut, this is how your station should look. Your standard form cards can be spread out, and your I have a cards can be in a pile. You need your directions and your recording sheet and your pencil. So the first step in the directions say, look at the I have a card. Number 2 says, pay attention to the place value because they are all mixed up. So notice on your I have a card that the place values are ones, thousands, hundreds, and tens. Now those aren't in order from smallest to greatest. Those are all mixed up. So make sure you read carefully which place value each line has. And they change from card to card. This card starts with the ones. This card starts with the tens. So just make sure you're reading carefully. All right. Number 3 says, match the description to a number card. So now we're going to read our I have a card one by one and figure out which standard form card matches this card. Let's see. I have a 6 in my ones place. Think about where the ones place is on the place value chart. In this number, the ones place is 0. That's not a 6, so I'm going to flip it over. This can't be this card. So now I'm going to keep going through the cards and look for a 6 in the ones place. That's another 0. That's a 5. That's an 8. That's a 0. Hey, that's a 6. I'm going to keep that up because maybe this is the card that matches this card. That's a 0. That's a 6. I'm going to leave this one, and that's a 5. So I can flip this. I know it's not that card. All right, so we've narrowed it down to 2 cards that could match this card. So now we're going to keep reading through the clues to see which card is the match. A 1 in my thousands place. Both numbers have a 1 in the thousands place, so I can't flip any that time. Let's go to the third clue. A 1 in my hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. There's a 1 in the hundreds place here. Let's see if there's a 1 in the hundreds place here. Ones, tens, hundreds. There's a 0 in the hundreds place here, so it can't be that card. That means the only match for this card is 1,196. So once you have a match, you're going to come over to your recording sheet. You can put your name at the top and record the numbers that you find once you match them. So in this example, we found the number 1,196. So I'm going to write it down in the table. And we've made our match. You're going to keep going through the cards until you make all of the I have a cards match a standard form number. Each one will have a match. And each time you find a match, I would set it to the side so you know that it's out of the way. Good luck!